This is tutorial number 22, and it covers how to rotate your sketch within Catia V5. To start off, open up a new Catia part file, and once you've done that, let's go into the sketch workbench. So click Sketch, and click any of the planes. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to rotate your sketch within Catia V5, and again, the reasoning behind this would be if you have a very complicated sketch and you need to rotate it a little bit, rather than redoing your entire sketch, you're able just to rotate it and shift it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw out a profile. So I'm just going to draw it out from the center point and just end it there. And to rotate, you'll find it in this toolbar along with the translate and the scale. And you can also find it if you go to Insert, Operation, Transformation, and you'll find Rotate. So with rotate, you're able to either select a single line or you're able to select the entire sketch. What I'm going to do first is just do a single line. So let's click this line here and let's click rotate. Now with rotate, again, you can make duplicate instances. So you can turn it on or off. In this case, we're going to make duplicate instances. So right now, let's just do one. And what you have to do is you need to select the origin where you're going to rotate around. So in this case, we're going to use the origin of the sketch. So we'll click this point here. And now what you have to do is you have to kind of just draw a line. And that's what it's kind of prompting you to do. And from this line, we're going to rotate around. So the longer you make this line, the easier it is for you to manually move it around. The shorter it is, the harder it is to move it around, as it's going to be a lot quicker to change the value. So we'll make it just about the same length as the line we're going to rotate. And as you see, as we rotate, the part is also rotating. So you're able to either rotate and snap to a point, or you can type in a value. So this first one, let's snap it to a point. We'll snap it to this point here, and now we've duplicated that sketch there. Now press Ctrl Z, get rid of it, and we'll do another one. Click rotate, click that center point, go straight up, and this time let's key in 17 degrees. Click enter, and now it's moved 17 degrees. Now press Ctrl Z, and just if you didn't notice before, when we're doing this, it goes in 5-degree increments. So every time you move, it's going to go up 5 degrees or go down 5 degrees. Now this time what we're going to do is we're going to make 10 instances. And what we're going to do is we're going to make the angle in between each one, we're going to make it 5 degrees. Click OK. And now we have that line at 5-degree increments all the way around. Now press Ctrl Z and we'll get rid of those guys. Now what we're going to do is we're going to rotate this entire sketch. So let's highlight the entire sketch, click rotate, and we're going to put it down to one instance. We're going to duplicate it, and we're going to do it around the center point. So bring it straight up, and we're able to rotate this around as such. Now let's put this to 90 degrees, click OK, and now we've rotated that entire sketch 90 degrees. Now let's draw another sketch down here. And what we're going to do here is rotate and just rotate the sketch alone. So let's highlight the entire sketch, click rotate, and we're going to uncheck the duplicate. Now we're going to rotate it around this point here, and we're going to key in 90 degrees, click OK, and now our whole sketch is translated 90 degrees. Now again, like I said, this is a great tool when you already have a sketch you like, but you need to just shift it or rotate it a little bit rather than going back and doing the whole sketch over with, say, a 5-degree shift. All you have to do is rotate using the 5-degree shift, and your whole sketch will rotate. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the rotate sketch feature within Catia V5.